Backslash hashtag walkthrough anonymous. Backslash hashtag objective. Compromise the target machine by identifying exposed services, recovering sensitive credentials, gaining remote access, and capturing both the user and root flags. Backslash hashtag step 1 service enumeration. An initial map scan was performed to identify exposed network services. Backslash hashtag key findings. Backslash FTP 21/TCP. And hashtag X20 anonymous login enabled. And hashtag X20 versus FTPD 3.0.3. Backslash SSH 22/TCP. And hashtag X20 OpenSSH available for remote access. The anonymous FTP service immediately became the primary attack vector. Backslash screenshot opportunity backslash initial map results showing OpenFTP and SSH services. Backslash hashtag step 2 anonymous FTP enumeration. Connected to the FTP service using the anonymous account. After successful authentication, the root file system was accessible through FTP. Directory enumeration identified a world writable directory named. Inside this directory were two highly sensitive files. /backup.pgp, /private.asc. These files were downloaded for offline analysis. /screenshot opportunity /, successful anonymous FTP login. /directory listing of not read. /downloaded files visible locally. Hashtag step 3 inspecting the PGP private key. The recovered private.asc file was inspected using NuPG. Analysis confirmed it contained a valid PGP private key. User ID. Because the private key was password protected, the passphrase had to be recovered before it could be used. Screenshot opportunity output from GPG list packets private.asc. Hashtag step 4 recovering the PGP passphrase. The private key was converted into a John the Ripper compatible format using. The resulting hash was cracked with John the Ripper. Recovered passphrase. This passphrase allowed the private key to be imported successfully. Screenshot opportunity successful John crack showing Xbox 360. Hashtag step 5 importing the private key. The recovered passphrase was used to import the secret key into the local GPG keyring. Verification confirmed that both the public and secret keys were available. This enabled decryption of the encrypted backup. Screenshot opportunity successful secret key import. GPG list secret keys. Hashtag step 6 decrypting the backup. Using the imported key, the encrypted backup file was decrypted. The decrypted content contained Linux password hashes, including entries for /root, /melodias. These hashes became the next target for password cracking. Screenshot opportunity successful GPG decrypt. Contents of the decrypted backup. Hashtag step 7 cracking the Linux password hash. John the Ripper was used against the recovered password hashes. The root account password was recovered as. This credential provided direct administrative access. Screenshot opportunity John successfully recovering the root password. Hashtag step 8 SSH access. Using the recovered credentials, an SSH session was established as the root user. Verification commands confirmed full administrative access. Output confirmed. /user root. /uid 0 /hostname Ubuntu. Screenshot opportunity successful root SSH session. /Huami NID. Hashtag step 9 flag collection. The final stage involved locating and reading both flags. ########################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################## /###root flag. Location. Value. // opportunity / user flag. /root flag. / summary. This room demonstrated how multiple individually moderate weaknesses can combine into a complete system compromise. /anonymous FTP exposed sensitive files. / a password-protected PGP private key was publicly accessible. / the passphrase protecting the key was weak enough to crack. / the decrypted backup exposed password hashes. / a weak root password allowed immediate administrative SSH access. No software exploit or privilege escalation vulnerability was required. The compromise resulted entirely from poor credential management and insecure exposure of sensitive data.